So the Apple Watch SE is here and I'm supposed to unbox it, but I actually don't have my hands on one yet. So just kidding, it's right here. Whoop, gotcha. Let's unbox the Apple Watch SE. What's up YouTube, it's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today we do indeed have the Apple Watch SE, the latest budget offering in the Apple Watch lineup from Apple. I've been rocking my Series 6 for about a week or two now. I love this thing, but obviously with a new Apple product coming out, the Apple Watch SE, we gotta unbox it, we gotta test it, we gotta review it, we gotta do all those good things on this channel. So let's start things out by unboxing it. Ow, that kind of hurt. So without any further ado, quick look at the box. You guys are probably used to this by now, but Apple Watch logo on the front, nothing on the top and the bottom, or on the sides, but on the back, we do have a little bit more information about the model, serial number, I believe, all that good stuff. But of course, we have some cellophane to remove. So let's do it. Love that. That was weird. That was a weird reaction, but it was genuine. Some cellophane to remove here. Whoa! Almost fell off my chair. Unboxings just got dangerous. The Apple Watch SE ready to go. So now what we could do is actually untap it through this cool little tab system Apple has on the Apple Watch. If I can remember, here we go. Just like this, ready? 3, 2. Exciting. Bam! I say it in every single Apple Watch unboxing video, but I love this. This is awesome. The box unfolds, and we put that off to the side. Here we go. We got the two most important things in this box, the only two most important things in this box, the Apple Watch SE and the Sport Loop. Quick look at the Sport Loop before we get to the Apple Watch SE, for those of you who might be interested. Little, what is this called? Removal tabby thingy, that's what we're going with. Got that. We open this up. This is just a quick look at the band that I got. It is the charcoal, blue? Charcoal Sport Loop, kind of what you would expect by now. I actually love the Sport Loops. But enough about the band. That's just like a little supplementary part of it. By the way, a little bit of information on if you want to attach your Apple Watch to the band. Right there. Is there something else in here? Oh, yes. And then just your more information, instructions, safety information. All right. Band is done. And now for the best part, the unboxing of the Apple Watch SE. There it is! Designed by Apple in California. We'll take a look at this quickly. If you look at this is just your information here, your little quick start guide, as well as your, what is this? Battery and charging information. Just quick safety and handling, all that good stuff right here. So if you don't know how to use your Apple Watch for whatever reason, check this out. That'll teach you what to do. Underneath that, we do have our Apple Watch charging cord. No wall adapter included with the Apple Watches this year. We saw that in the Series 6. We're seeing the same thing here in the SE. You do get your actual charging cable, so you could actually charge it through conductive energy. But there's your charging cord, cord cable in the box. But the moment you've really been waiting for, this thing right here. Box out of the way. This is the Apple Watch SE. We have a little bit of a, I don't know what you call this, paper? It's kind of like, it's wax paper, I think, although it doesn't seem to be made out of wax. Anyway, some paper covering here. You just peel it off and there it is. Wow, it looks very much just like the regular Series 6, Series 5, or Series 4. You cannot tell just by looking at it that it is the Apple Watch SE. Pretty incredible. So if design is a concern of yours, you want the updated design while getting a SE version of the Apple Watch, right off the bat, that's looking good. So this is the space gray aluminum model with GPS and LTE of the Apple Watch SE. And honestly, you put it next to my Series 5, you cannot tell the difference, besides of course the red cellular circle you get on the digital crown. Besides that, I can't tell the two apart. So pretty cool that you're basically getting the best of the updated design in the Apple Watch SE. Which one is which now? Okay, that's the SE. So let's turn it on. There it is. I'm going to quickly attach it to this sport loop right here. Where do we go? Right there, okay. It's the Apple Watch SE. So far, pretty wild. There's not a whole lot else to say besides the fact that it's pretty much everything you would expect in the Apple Watch SE in terms of features, but with an updated design. The real test is going to be actually testing this thing out over the next couple days, couple weeks, and seeing if there's enough in this for the price that'll make it worth getting, perhaps over something like the Series 4, Series 5, or Series 6. So of course, subscribe to this channel so that when the review of this Apple Watch SE drops, you don't miss it. And that is it. That is the unboxing of the Apple Watch SE. Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna do a couple workouts on this thing, test it out, see if it lives up to the hype. As always, if you guys are interested in finding out more about the Apple Watch SE, or just to cop one for yourself, you guys can head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Apple Watch SE, bmac.link/Apple Watch SE, or as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box below as well, so check those out. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go test this bad boy out. Maybe I'll do kind of like one of these things right here. Is this the ultimate flex if I were to put the Apple Watch SE on the right wrist and keep my Series 6 on the left wrist? Is this the ultimate flex? I don't think so, actually. That kind of just looks like dumb. Kind of look like I'm becoming Megatron. I will see you guys in my next video. BMAC-tron. No, doesn't seem that much cooler.